Hey guys, it's Nick here again with another episode of What's in the Box. As you can see tonight, I am going to be unveiling something very, very special and cool. It is actually the highly secretive collector's edition of Crash Bandicoot. What? I swear it is. I mean, just because it has Mass Effect written all over it, I mean, it is a highly secretive collector's edition of Crash Bandicoot that only a handful of people in the world will be able to get on its release next month. And I am very lucky enough to get a sneak preview of this awesome, awesome game. What? Are you stupid? Was it the dozens and dozens of followers I have, or the 2 subscribers? No, people, what you see from that footage is what we'll be unboxing tonight. The Mass Effect remote control collector's edition of the Nomad car. Okay guys, this unboxing today is going to be very car topical. I mean, if you just look at my recent events, there was quite a little adventure I had with a car a little while ago.
Has snapped in half, and that car has finished, as you say, 20 metres down an embankment. It was there that emergency services arrived a short time later. The MFS extricated the man. He was then placed onto a stretcher and placed into an ambulance. Now, as that was happening, his mother and father were watching on. They say that they arrived on scene a short time after the
That doesn't even show the parking job I did on that day. You can see that video of the car accident here on my channel, Nick Haynes World. Remember to like and subscribe, all you great people out there. Alright, let's get into this unboxing of this great car. I did take a while to do this because I did have it while I was holed up at my parents' place. So while I was recovering, this was probably one of the first things I went and picked up and lied my ass off to him and told him that it was only $100, but this wasn't $100. This was quite an expensive car, and today we're going to see just how expensive this car was. Actually, there it is. I know, right? Crazy? Alright, let's get this thing out. Comes in another box. I swear that was the box. There we go, put that one down there. Wow, this thing is nuts. Love the packaging on this. Look at this thing. This is nuts. Love the packaging on these things. So that's where $200 of my $400 went. Alright. Here we go, people. Here we go. Oh, wow. Look at this. Oh, wow, guys. Charge it up in the PlayStation. That is really, really cool. Let's get this out. Have a look at him. Oh, wow. That is one cool looking car. It's even a 4-wheel drive. That's nuts. Look at this thing. This car is crazy. This thing is so awesome, guys. I nearly don't regret spending all that money. Look at that. That is awesome. Definitely have a play around with that after. And, oh, they did. I do love when they do that in a collector's edition of a game. There is the steelbook for... There is the steelbook for Mass Effect. How awesome is that? Alright guys, thank you for joining me tonight for the unboxing of the Nomad vehicle remote control version for Mass Effect Andromeda.